In this video, let me show you the way that you search up songs inside of Tidal. If you're new to Tidal and want to listen to your favorite songs, let me show you the exact way on how you can search it. You'll be able to see a search bar on the top right of the screen. If you're using a website version, you just need to enter in the title of the song and it will show you exactly the song that you're trying to listen to. It will say track if it is a song, and if you're trying to find a album, you can also search for it and you'll see the option of album on the bottom. Once you click on the option which says track, it will directly take you to a song which you can now play by clicking on the play icon on the right left hand side. Now, apart from song titles, as I said, you can also search up albums from different artists and you can also search up different artists as well. So that's all there is in searching for songs inside of Ditto. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.